Welcome. I'm happy to say that this will ship with the latest One UI 8 on Android 16.
AI is the new UI. One UI 8 expands that experience to our broader ecosystem. We are proud to share that we collaborated with Google to bring Android 16 to our Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 at launch. Our fastest rollout of the latest Android on Galaxy smartphones out of the box.
Today, we're also introducing new Gemini features. You can now talk with Gemini about anything you see through your Galaxy's camera or screen. Just long press the side button to pull up Gemini Live and tap to share your screen. While you browse across multiple tabs or websites, Gemini can help by comparing items or gathering information. You can now let Gemini Live see through your camera too. Point it at your fridge for dinner ideas. Gemini Live can help you do even more by taking actions across apps you use on your Samsung device, like Samsung Notes, Reminders, and Calendar. Like when I saw this cool city event poster in New York. I can open Gemini Live, turn on my camera, and ask, can you add the movie night to my calendar? Gemini doesn't just search for the info, it sees, it prioritizes, it reasons, and it takes action for you right on the phone. Everything I just shared is ready for you on your new Galaxy devices right out of the box. So the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 will both come with 6 months of Google AI Pro on us.
You open an article and it extends across the large display. With a simple tap, a summary pops up, right where you need it. Floating, movable, and resizable. You can pin it to keep it top of mind as you read. Writing Assist can help you polish your ideas. Or you can take advantage of the large screen to generate and drop images across the display, to put the final touches on your draft. Before you start each day, NowBrief lines up personal insights and recommendations from your Spotify playlist to suggested YouTube content. NowBrief can remind you to fill out all of your entry requirements or travel forms and surface live weather updates or exchange rates for your destination. It'll even prompt you to download a language pack for interpreter so you're ready the moment you land. To protect that information, we're introducing a new level of security. It creates encrypted, app-specific environments in the device's secure storage area. We call it Keep. Circle to Search is evolving to become more insightful and intuitive. When you need help in the thick of a game and you don't want to break your flow, you can now search for what you see right there in the game. From tips to information on specific characters, you can gather insight when you need it, right from where you are. It's all powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, delivering up to 38% faster CPU, 41% stronger NPU, and a boost of 26% in GPU. For the first time ever, we're bringing a 200 megapixel wide-angle camera to the Z series. And thanks to a 44% larger image sensor, you get clearer images with all of the details. Every shot, every video is enhanced by the next-gen Pro Visual Engine, which delivers intelligent scene optimization with unmatched clarity in every frame. With 10-bit HDR now enabled by default, video is clearer and more stunning than ever. The ultra-wide camera features autofocus, unlocking powerful macro capabilities, which lets you get incredibly close to your subject to capture every detail. And when you need to pull back for a group selfie, the spacious main display lets you frame more of the scene, while the front camera captures a field of view of up to 100 degrees. Photo Assist hands you an AI-powered editing toolkit You can now remove unwanted subjects, and it will naturally generate to fill the void. Audio Eraser recognizes up to 6 distinct sound types and suggests quick optimizations based on audio analysis. And now you can use Audio Eraser from the gallery, from your voice recorder, Samsung Notes, video player, or even on recorded calls. Galaxy Z Fold 7 will be available for pre-order starting today, with the full lineup launching on July 25th. Pricing starts at $1,999, and it comes in blue shadow, jet black, silver shadow, with an exclusive mint color available only on Samsung.com.
The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is our thinnest flip yet. When open, the 6.9-inch display with the 21:9 aspect ratio offers a full-fledged bar-type phone experience. With the largest battery in a Z Flip, you can enjoy up to 8 more hours of video playback. With the all-new Armor Flex Hinge, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 has been built strong to withstand impact. Meet the all-new Flex Window. Now bigger. At 4.1 inches, it spans across the device, providing our smoothest viewing experience on the cover display at up to 120 Hz refresh rate. We cut the bezel down by 68%, so now you can do more with your flip without unfolding it. One UI 8 helps you find images that will look great on the Flex Window. Once you choose an image, advanced spatial sensing separates the subject from the background, allowing you to stretch the clock to fit the photo, so you can get a clean and balanced look. Nowbar anticipates what you may need based on context and offers quick access to key apps, like your playlist or timer. And with Nowbrief's daily summaries on your cover screen, your flip will show you what's coming next with one smooth scroll. Instant Slow-Mo intelligently generates new frames between existing ones to deliver smooth and cinematic playback. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 comes with a 50-megapixel camera, delivering sharp details and true colors. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 packs a serious punch. It's our most pocketable AI phone that opens up into a full bar-type phone experience. It comes in jet black, blue shadow, and coral red, with an exclusive mint color only available on Samsung.com. Pre-orders begin today, with the full lineup available on July 25th, and it starts at $1,099. We're also opening up the Flip experience to even more users with a new addition to the lineup, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. It comes with a powerful 50-megapixel camera, Pro Visual Engine, and Galaxy AI. Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE will be available in black or white starting at $899. Introducing the Galaxy Watch 8 series.
Featuring the 3-nanometer processor, dual frequency GPS, and bioactive sensor. This sensor reads key health metrics, and now it sits closer to your wrist, thanks to the dynamic lug system. The all-new running coach on the Galaxy Watch 8 will turn your personal metrics into a structured training program. With just a 12-minute run, Running Coach assesses your fitness levels and then places you into one of 10 calibrated training tiers. As you train, you'll receive real-time coaching. And with peak brightness of up to 3,000 nits, you'll see that guidance clearly. Your Galaxy Watch or Ring can help you track your sleep patterns, including sleep stages, duration, blood oxygen level, and snoring. Take vascular load, for example. While sleeping, it measures the total stress on your vascular system by understanding your blood volume and vessel stiffness. And for the first time in a smartwatch, Galaxy Watch 8 can measure the antioxidant levels in your skin. Simply place your thumb on the sensor on the back of the watch, and you can receive real-time readings to help support healthy aging. We're also excited to announce that Galaxy Watch 8 will be the very first watch with Gemini right out of the box. This means you'll be able to ask Gemini to find the nearest cafe and text a friend to meet you there without the need to reach for your phone. The Watch 8 series helps you build better habits and stay one step ahead. Galaxy Watch 8 Classic blends an iconic design and its signature rotating bezel. Galaxy Watch Ultra offers an impressive 100 hours of usage time and has also been upgraded to 64 gigabytes of storage. The Galaxy Watch 8 series starts at $349. Galaxy Watch 8 Classic from $499, and the Galaxy Watch Ultra from $649. Pre-orders start today, and the full lineup launches on July 25th.
Thank you very much for joining us today.